This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Personal Hotspot. This is where the password lives. Once done, make sure cellular data is enabled because the hotspot controls depend on it. If you see a direct Personal Hotspot row, tap it now. Otherwise, tap Cellular then Personal Hotspot. You need the hotspot toggle on to reveal the Wi-Fi password field. This first step sets up visibility and writes the password in plain text, so you can copy. Now you will view or edit the actual Wi-Fi password. Tap the Wi-Fi password field and the current characters appear. You can tap and hold to copy if needed. If you prefer a custom password, type a new one that's at least 8 characters for security, then tap Done or leave the field. That change saves automatically. Make sure you tell connected devices the new password because once changed, they will be disconnected until they join again using the updated credential. Finally, share the password or resolve issues. You can copy the password and AirDrop it to a nearby device or simply show it on your screen. That's quick and secure in person. If the password field is blank or not editable, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then reopen Settings. This often refreshes the display. If that fails, restart your iPhone and check for an iOS update. These final steps get everyone reconnected and address the common hiccups efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.